Hair problems are universal problems, we can say. You will hardly find anyone who does not have hair or scalp problems. There are multiple and expensive products that we use with absolutely no results. Hence, in recent years, more and more beauty enthusiasts have begun praising natural remedies that have more benefits and fewer to no side effects. One such recipe I'm going to share today is our coconut and castor oil mix. Castor oil is a nutrient-rich vegetable oil that comes from the castor beans. Although it originates in tropical East Africa, it is widely used for cosmetic and medicinal purposes. Castor oil is usually clear or pale yellow. However, when it is derived through roasting or boiling, it is known as black castor oil. Like other natural oils, castor oil provides hydration to your hair and scalp. It is rich in essential amino acids. It is also rich in omega-6 and omega-9 fatty acids, which fortify the hair with moisture. Castor oil helps trap moisture and natural oils in the hair, sealing it into the strands. Castor oil is a natural conditioner that keeps your hair healthy, shiny, and soft. This oil contains amounts of oleic and linoleic acid and can restore normalcy to hair. When massaged with this oil, it helps in increasing blood circulation that improves hair growth. Castor oil has emollient properties, making it ideal for dry and damaged hair. Castor oil is rich in vitamin E and fatty acids that are beneficial for hair health. Castor oil also helps with protein synthesis that ensures that your hair has a normal growing and resting cycle. It makes hair shiny and reduces excessive hair loss. Your scalp has hair follicles, so how you nourish it and how healthy it is has a direct impact on your hair follicles' health. Poor hygiene and hydration may lead to dead hair follicles and dry scalp. The other ingredient we're using for this oil mix is our coconut oil. Coconut oil is a natural way to help your hair grow longer, thicker, and faster. The vitamins and essential fatty acids naturally found in coconut oil nourish the scalp and help to remove sebum buildup from hair follicles. Coconut oil has lauric acid. It is a type of saturated fat which is abundantly present in coconut oil. It may protect your hair against protein loss. Coconut oil is extremely nourishing, so it's better at repairing dry, brittle strands. We all know that hair is made up of protein called keratin. Dyes, bleach, shampoo, and styling products can damage this protein and leave hair dull and fragile. It was found that the coconut oil is similar to natural hair protein and it has a unique ability to penetrate the hair shaft. Now, to mix the oils, I am taking 1 part of castor oil and 4 parts of coconut oil. Massage this oil into your hair gently for at least a couple of minutes. If possible, leave it overnight, or you can also keep it for at least 1 hour before shampooing. Also make sure that when you're shopping for the oils, select the unrefined variety or the virgin or extra virgin oil. There are a few things you need to keep in mind as we are using castor oil here in this oil mix. Castor oil is sticky by itself, with a fragrance that most people do not like. That is the reason why we are diluting it with our carrier oil, which is our coconut oil. This will make the application process easier as well as cut down on the unpleasant smell. Like most oils, castor oil will eventually go rancid, Be sure to check the expiry date on your bottle before using it. Castor oil is a staining substance. It can leave permanent stains on clothing, so use caution when you're applying it to your. If you're experiencing extensive hair loss, you may have an existing condition that results in poor hair health. In this case, you will need to speak with a doctor in curing the underlying cause rather than use products to combat your symptoms. For any remedy to work, consistency is very important. Make sure you are using it regularly to see best results. I hope this remedy will help improve your hair health. Don't forget to hit that like button if you like this video. And as I mentioned in my community post, I will be sharing a lot of hair care videos to address the issues you all have shared with me. To ensure you are not missing out on this wonderful information, do subscribe to my channel, where I will be sharing videos in 3 languages, Hindi, Telugu and English, to make sure that this information reaches a wide audience. Take good care of yourself, and I'll see you in my next video at RiVaa Foodz.